I'm Christina. I'm an artist and teacher, and I live in two different worlds. One in Sweden, in a gorgeous location where I work as a bridge master, opening a bridge for sailing boats and motorboats. But most important is the other world, in West Africa, where I live in a beautiful tropical garden with lots of jungle, monkeys, lizards, and beautiful birds of all sizes. Every morning I get to enjoy the wildlife around me while having my breakfast or just a cup of tea in the company of my wonderful dogs that always stay by my side. When I enter my house, I come straight into my art studio. This is where I paint, draw, film, and sometimes host art classes for small groups. In my videos, you get to see a bit of my life, my artistic journey, how I paint, draw, some tips and tricks and thoughts about creativity. So sit back and enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel.
Hi everyone, Christina here. Yeah, I'm back in the Gambia, West Africa, in my sunshine country. And this is where I call my real home, because this is where I spend the longest stretch of time throughout the year. And I mean, it's mine, I can do what I want, I can spread my things around, I can relax and do my art. I've been here almost 3 weeks already. Time flies. But in the beginning, there's so much cleaning, organizing, stocking up on foods, all kinds of things. I mean, the nature takes over. I've said this before, but and this time I have to be honest, it wasn't as bad as it can be sometimes. Sometimes I come and there's termite trails all over the walls, and one season I actually had frog invasion. I had really beautiful frogs in my toilet bowl, and I had small little baby frogs jumping in to my house whenever I opened the door, and I was chasing them around, and yeah, it can be crazy. This time around I have two quite young geckos. I don't know what happened to the other ones, the big old ones. Maybe they crawled out and died. But now I have two quite young geckos, and they're chasing each other around. And they're pooping. They're pooping like mad everywhere. Yeah, so it's quite some cleaning, cobwebs and all kinds of remnants from insects. And also, after the rainy season, everything fabric, like clothes, pillows, sheets, everything has this nasty smell because of the humidity during the rainy season. So there's a lot of laundry to do. But I can't be doing that all day, can I? No, I have to have time to cuddle with my dogs and go to the beach and sit out with a cup of tea and enjoy the nature around, of course. And also I love fixing with my garden, you know, my pots and plants. So I have a lot of aloe vera, and in this pot it's growing all wild and crazy, and some other palm leaves are growing in here. I'm just gonna cut off these bigger leaves, and I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna use them for burns and skin issues, even on my dog when he needs a bit of aloe vera. So yeah, I think that is enough for now. Yeah, so I have quite a lot actually of aloe vera. And I just need to replant them in bigger pots. So I'm in my kitchen here. I'm gonna cut and slice the aloe vera. So I remove the sharp edges here. I think I'm gonna keep one side here, and then just remove the front. Then I can kind of hold it with this back side in a way. Yeah. Okay, so now I have a little container here with aloe vera ready to use, and then I just stick it in the fridge so it will be nice and cold when you apply the aloe vera.
Look what I found in my water bucket. I think he's scuba diving down there. He is so beautiful. I love the stripes and the pattern on his back legs. Oh, you can imagine I'm gonna draw and paint him one day.
In this episode, I'm going to create a new little character. You might have seen my other posts lately. This autumn I created a lot of small little fun characters, sort of like children's art style characters. And today I decided to create a parrot, children's style also. We have Senegalese parrots here and parakeets, and I hear them every day, but they're so high up in the trees that I don't have many video clips or pictures of them. But anyway, today I'm gonna create this little parrot, so you can just sit and enjoy and watch how I create this parrot.
The drawing here to the left is something I did before I started to film, just to try it out. And when I see them side by side, I can see they have a little bit different expression, and maybe the one to the left is a little bit fatter also. I think I prefer him actually, but well, in the end, this one here is the final result.
And here I am down at my favorite beach, enjoying the afternoon. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.